The Tourism Exchange, or TXGB, helps you reach new customers, drive sales, and boost your profitability. Launched in partnership with Tourism Northern Ireland to bring together tourism businesses and routes to market, the Tourism Exchange helps customers discover Northern Ireland's tourism products and helps grow your operations. If you're a supplier, just link your business to the Tourism Exchange for free to instantly diversify your distribution. Connect with your existing booking system, property management system, or channel manager, or use our free inventory loading tool. Whatever size your business, just join once to choose from multiple sales channels. The Tourism Exchange offers niche distribution options, destination websites, and the choice to opt into specific campaigns for free, alongside established global brands. We'll help you expand your reach or become bookable online for the first time, whatever suits your business goals. Your customers will see the latest availability and prices in real time. And if you make any changes to these, the Tourism Exchange will update across all your chosen sales channels. When you take a booking, you'll only pay a 2.5% fee, plus the commission of your chosen distributor. And it doesn't stop there. With data on booking and travel trends at your fingertips, you'll understand your customers and manage your business more effectively. Take advantage of our access to niche distributors, dozens of destination websites, and several international OTAs. From city sightseeing to coastal campsites, we join the dots, matching Northern Ireland's amazing tourism products and their booking systems with a broad network of distribution channels. Join our mission to unlock the full potential of the tourism sector. Connect for free and help make Northern Ireland bookable at txgb.co.uk.